We are way off. Well, let's bring it back into true then. Got the two edges, so now I can measure off. I can cut it down to width. Like that. Ta-da! Make a mark around there. That's where I need to go to. Three-quarter-inch. You're going the right direction. Now lets me see, where is it rubbing? I can hit just the spots. That's right. Almost there. Mark it and see where we're at. Bruising points, that's where we need to rub then. Something like that-ish. See, I'm being really hyper accurate in my marking here. Look at that, lines match up perfectly. Quarter-inch mortising chisel, and for when you want to build a house. Got a few burrs we need to get rid of. So a 1/4 inch hole is there. So let's drill a 1/4 inch hole first. So 3/4 needs to go down to there. So now I need it to go down to there. There's my next depth. So, not very, just a little bit, not much, just a little bit of luck. Okay, so where are we hitting most? Love going against the grain. If it goes really, really close to it. I think we might. I want to see if I could bang it down. I don't think I could. I'm a little bit off that way now. Almost there. A little more. Almost there. Or did I? Nope, I guessed wrong. So there you have it. I've been wanting to do a video for a while showing making a socket and a tang, and I reached out to McNulty Tools, who has a store up in Wisconsin, not too far away, a store dedicated to antique hand tools. Really cool place, and I want to go do a video on his shop one of these days. But he sent me these to show off on the video, and I really like how they came out. Now, the thing is, with the socket, I wanted to show how you could make it without a lathe, because a lot of people think if you want to make a socket, you have to have a lathe, and that's just not true. You can actually shape them relatively easily and quickly. It took me probably about 15-20 minutes to make the socket for this one. It goes relatively easily. The tang, sometimes those are a little more difficult, and the nice thing about this particular style without the ferrule is that the wood all comes down and sits on the shoulder of it, and all of the work is transferred through that rather than into the tang splitting out, and so this will hold on very nicely even without a ferrule. A very traditional, common way of doing a pig sticker or a morticing chisel, and I really like both of them. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What could I have done differently? I would love to learn that. I do learn a lot from the chat, and anytime you do put a comment down below, that really helps out the channel. It helps more people get here, and it helps the algorithm, as well as hitting the like, share, subscribe, or even just comment down below. Thank you. That really helps out the channel. Those who are having their names over here, though, those are the magnificent, wonderful, and benevolent people on Patreon. Without patrons, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you, all of the viewers who sponsor us through Patreon or clicking the join button down below. All of those wonderful things really do help us. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. You keep the lights on, you allow us to make fun projects, so thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more, you know what to do. Go in the doobly-doo, click the little join button, and until next time, have a wonderful day. If you're having a lot of problems in life and things just aren't going your way, that's how you get a handle on the situation.